Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 6th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, today is non-farm payroll news day, and it definitely is a very big news event. And I do agree with anybody that thinks that maybe the dollar would go down. I mean, we are at the 78%. We just do not have any proof of that yet, besides the fact that we got one, two, three, four, five waves up, and we're sitting at the 78% Fibonacci retracement, which is normally a big area of resistance in an uptrend. So we might get a pretty decent little bounce today, and maybe what it's going to do is just make a continuous move up, and then next week sometime continue the higher time frame uptrend. I personally am going to be very cautious about this analysis though, because the trend is definitely up on all higher time frames, and it could literally just go down, grab liquidity at structure, and then just continue back up from there. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I'll show you what my plan is. So on the 1 hour time frame, I have my Fibonacci retracement on this move up. If we get a one, two, three-way pattern down to any one of these Fibonacci levels and then a nice engulfing up, I definitely would take it as a long. The trend is up on all higher time frames. Now, on the other hand, if it does go down and take out this structure that I mentioned on the daily, I will wait for this break of structure. And then after the breaker structure, I will wait for the three-way pullback that will likely come after the breaker structure. Then I will go short at the end of that three-way pullback because that's a much, much safer way to do it. Because at these big news events, price could literally go down, break structure, grab liquidity, and then just continue the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.